pooping! Shit! Fuck! Shit! I don't want her to kill me!
That was Cola.
Watch out for Cola. She'll kill you like a beast.
Dude, what if it's like headbutted right now? Dude, seriously, what if this fence just broke?
Get in there.
Wait, hurry, I gotta move. Ready?
Probably. Okay, I'm in here. Don't let it kill me.
Sorry.
There's a whip.
There's a whip?
Yeah, it makes them go crazy.
Oh my god, where?
Over there somewhere. Okay, bye. We'll be back in a second.